National Youth Day. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January every year. This day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. In 1984, the Government of India declared 12 January as National Youth Day to celebrate the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, and since then, from 1985, the event is celebrated in India every year. The Government of India quoted that the philosophy of Swamiji and ideals for which he lived and worked could be a great source of inspiration for the Indian youth. It is also called as Yuva Divas in Hindi. The main aim of the government is to make a better future of the country by motivating the youths through ideas of the Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born in a Bengali family on 12 January 1863 in Calcutta, Bengal Presidency, now called as Kolkata, West Bengal. Birthplace of Vivekananda, that is 3 Gaur Mohan Mukherjee Street, is now converted into a museum and cultural center. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. His father, Vishwanath Datta, was an attorney at the Calcutta High Court. His mother, Bhuvaneshwari Devi, was a cheerful, devotional and deeply religious woman. He belonged to a traditional family and was one of the 9 siblings. In 1881, he met Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and became his disciple and accepted Saint Ramakrishna Paramahamsa as his guru. In December 1886, he and other monks took the vow to live the life similar to their spiritual master, and Narendra acquired the new name Swami Vivekananda. With the aim of promoting social services, he established Ramakrishna Mission on 1st May 1897 in Calcutta. He introduced Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. He was extremely patriotic towards India and is considered a hero for his contributions to the philosophies of the country. He is best known for his speech at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago in 1893, when he began his speech saying, "Sisters and brothers of America." At these words, Vivekananda received a 2-minute standing ovation from the crowd of 7,000, and then he introduced India's culture and its importance. On 4th July 1902, he left his body while meditating. He wrote many quotes which are a source of inspiration for millions of youth today. Therefore, Swami Vivekananda is the man of wisdom, faith, a true philosopher whose teachings not only motivated youth but also paved the way for the development of the country. So, that is why 12th January is celebrated as National Youth Day every year in India with joy and enthusiasm. The National Youth Day is observed all over India at schools and colleges with processions, speeches, music, youth conventions, seminars, yogasanas, presentations, competitions, recitations and sports on 12th January every year. Youth are the future of India, and guiding them through ideals and philosophies of Swami Vivekananda would not only help to achieve their goals in life but also would take India on the path of progress and development. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. I would like to end my speech with this inspirational message by Swami Vivekananda, which was for each and every individual, that nobody knows you better than yourself. You are your best teacher. Thank you. Happy National Youth Day.